So now we have the two knee problem. Both the knee had a problem. And how you diagnose which side is involved? Through the pain? No, be it through the examination of subluxation. Because of the pain is a subjective. So we go with the objective method. It's called applied kinesiology method. Applied kinesiology method, otherwise a functional leg length method. The two methods we used here. As per here, once again, the margin of patella, this is superior, this is inferior. So now I have to examine her. The first option as an examination is called applied kinesiology method. What is the kinesiology method? If you push into the bone into the wrong direction, the power is reduced. Recruitment of muscle. If you push into the right direction, the muscle recruitment regain it. That means if I'm in align, I can deliver my maximum. If I misalign, I can't deliver. Based on this, I'm going to check her with her dominance. So which leg hand used to be eat? All right. And the dominant hands we have to for examination. Flex to 90 degree, fist stick. Push it upwards, push it upwards. Feel the musculature sufficient. Same, push the patella into infromedial. Push it up, push it up. So she unable to push the hand. That means the patella is, it's in resting position is infromedial. Now again, I'm shifting towards lateral and superior. Push it up. Yes, it is increased. That indicated the right direction is superolateral. The affected direction is infromedial. So I go for examination of opposite knee also. Take it upwards, fist, press it upwards, feel the musculature. Press into superior and lateral, press it up. Good. So what happened? There is no change. And do it again. Push it up. Good. That means, especially in the left leg, no subluxation. Her right leg had a pain and it is subluxed infromedial. Finish. It's very simple examination. Two type. Another one is called functional leg length. We have the reactive leg in the body. It reaction with the pain based on make her to prone. Always functional leg length check in the prone position. The point to be feel is medial malleolus. She lie down on prone. I'll use my two middle finger, the lower edge of the malleolus. Come to know my right leg is shorter. So what I do, I just take a patella and push into medial and inferior. And check it. Oh, it's too short now. Then I push into superior and lateral. Now leg like this, almost equal. That means the subluxation correction make the leg equal. If I push into the wrong direction, the leg difference is different. I trade in the left. I put the patella into superior lateral. And check it. No change. Push it on infromedial. No change. In the left side, patella shifting in two directions. There is no change in reaction leg. That means the affected side is right side. The subluxation of the patella is infromedial.